children. This is Florence YouTube channel. I am Manoj sir, your mathematics teacher. Today I will teach a new topic. What is that? Reflection. It is a topic of ICSE board class 10. Reflection, lot of things is given in the book. I will teach in a very simple way, very easy way. Just follow it. In this one video, you will be clear about this reflection chapter. Now see, this is the coordinate axis. This idea already you have in class, in previous classes. Now see here, this is called x-axis, x dash o x, x-axis. And what is this? Y-axis. So x-axis is what is? X-axis means x dash o and x. And what is y-axis? Y dash o and y. So x-axis and y-axis, and there are four quadrants. This is the first quadrant, this is second quadrant, third quadrant, and the fourth quadrant. Okay children, there are four quadrants and all these are axes, and this is called origin. Now in reflection, what to learn? You think you are standing in front of mirror. Wherever you are standing, let mirror and you distance is 10 centimeter or 1 meter say. Distance from mirror to you is 1 meter. In the mirror, just 1 meter behind you will see your reflection in the mirror. Where you are standing in the mirror, just 1 meter behind. If you are coming 2 meter here, from mirror to this 2 meter, you have to go 2 meter back in the mirror. So here reflection means you have to learn, you have to think here y-axis is a mirror and x-axis is a mirror. If you keep any point here where it looks, what is the distance, that you have to understand according to quadrant. Now some rule is there. I am making the rule very simple way, so that just only remember all the rules, then you can understand. Okay children, now what is the first rule? Let one point is that pxy. One point is there, one coordinate. You know already previous knowledge. Again I am saying, if pxy I will say, so what is x, what is y? A is called abscissa. And what is called y? Ordinate. X is abscissa and y is ordinate, and together is called coordinate. This idea already I have. X is called abscissa, y is called ordinate. And together x, y, means there are 2 points, that is called coordinate. Let one, this portion is called x and this portion is called y. So here is point P, that is called xy. Okay children, now this point may reflect with the x-axis or it may reflect with y-axis. Now I am just writing the formula so that easily we can understand. Now what is the formula? Number 1, reflection with x-axis. Reflection with x-axis means x-axis is the mirror. What is the point? pxy. Whenever reflection with x-axis, sign of y will change. Clear? What I said? Whenever reflection of x-axis, sign of y will change. That means what should be the point? X comma minus y. X comma minus y. Again, try to understand the point. Reflection of x-axis, sign of y will change. Reflection with y-axis, sign of x will change. That means number 2, reflection with y-axis. Reflection with y-axis. What I said? Reflection of y-axis means sign of x will change. Just opposite. P dash means different name. Y-axis means sign of x will change. And number 3 is reflection with origin. With origin. This is the origin. Reflection with origin means both sign will change. Both sign will change. I am repeating again. See here. How to remember all this? Whenever reflection with x-axis, y sign change. Reflection of y-axis, x sign will change. reflection with origin, both sign will change. Clear? These 3 points you remember only, you can clear 50% of the reflection chapter. Clear? Some more tricks just now I am going to give, please stay with us. Now see, these 3 points are clear. Now I have to rub this one. Some more points I have to give here. Number 3, number 4. Explaining the same thing on here, x, y is given, reflection with, this is the mirror, so its reflection will come here. If y is the mirror, its reflection will come here. And reflection origin means like this, crosswise. Here go here, it will come here. Whenever origin is there, both signs will change. Okay children? Now number 4, reflection with a line parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis. Reflection with a line parallel to x-axis. What is the line? Line taken y equal to a. Line taken y equal to a. Y equal to parallel to x-axis. Understand? The line may be here or line may be here. So a may be positive, a may be negative. That depends on question. If the line is this side, this is the distance. This is called a. This point is called a. If line is here, so this point is called a. So a is positive or a is negative, that depends on question. Which side line is there? So what is the question? Reflection with a line or of a line, reflection of a line parallel to x-axis. So what you have learned in x-axis, y sign will change. Reflection with x-axis means y sign will change. You understand? Reflection of a line parallel to x-axis. So sign y will change, same thing, but plus 2a have to do. That means what to write? P dash parallel to x-axis. So y sign will change and plus 2a. 2a you have to add it. What is value of a? A is 2. That means 2 into 2. If value of a is minus 2, then 2 into minus 2. That plus minus given in the question. Okay children? Don't confuse with this one. So reflection of a line parallel to x-axis, y equal to a. And fifth number, what is? Reflection of a line parallel to y-axis. That means x equal to a. Parallel to y-axis. Parallel to, this is the y-axis, line may be here or line may be here. Okay, then what happens? When y-axis sign a will, x will change. X will change. With the change sign, have to add plus 2a. Plus 2a. That means p dash x is changing, 2a have to add, and y remains same. This 5 formula I have given you. This 5 you have to remember. Easily the whole chapter you can do. Whole chapter, all the sums you can do. Lot of things given in the book, 3, 4, 5 pages are there. Just I make a summary and I have given you. Revise again with us. Come on. Reflection with x-axis. So y sign will change. Reflection with y-axis. That means x sign will change. Reflection with origin. That means both sign will change. Okay children, understand this much? Now, reflection of a line parallel to x-axis. Then sign change y. Whatever sign will change, with that plus 2a will do. The plus 2a have to do. A reflection of a line parallel to y-axis. Sign x will change, plus 2a you have to do. Value of a given in the question while doing sums. I will explain you again. Okay, all these 5 formula. Then one more thing you have to remember, that is called invariant points. What is, what I said? Invariant points. So I am doing here, no space, I am doing here. Number 6. Number 6. invariant points. What is invariant points? The points lies on x-axis or lies on y-axis. Means any point on this or any point on this. That is called invariant point. If point is here, what is the value? X comma 0. Lies on x-axis means y should be 0. Lies on y-axis means x should be 0. So what is the point? It may be x comma 0, it may be 0 comma y, or it may be 0 comma 0. So these 3 points are said to be invariant points. I think you are clear, children. For reflection chapter, if these particular things you know, this chapter is almost complete. So details, just I make summary of these 5-6 lines. These 5-6 lines you are clear. For ICSE students, this mostly one question come in the board exam. So you have to remember these 5 things and 6 things you have to remember. The whole chapter of summary I have explained you. So please just you learn this much, then the whole chapter you can easily understand. While doing sums, I will repeat this. So first of all, you have to clear all the formulas like this. Short formula, in a summary way I have written all these things. Then you have to clear this. While doing sums, I have to use all these things. Then you are more clear about this. Okay, children? So, okay, goodbye. You have to study this very well. Next video, I have to start sums. Bye.